Hello everybody, today I'm going to be showing you how to do this using the Gimp program. This will be featured on my beauty channel. I'm going to have his What is True Beauty video, so please check out that. So you're just going to open it up and you see the dimensions here, and make sure that the DPI is 300 for both the X and the Y axis. So I've already chosen my background picture and my two pictures that I want to add to it. So I'm just going to copy and paste this picture of Cleveland and take it down to the size of my screen. Okay, that looks pretty good, so I'm just going to keep it on there. And now I'm going to open a new layer. Now this is a transparency layer, so you can still see the background of Cleveland, but you're going to see me at the same time. Okay, so now I'm going to shrink that down to size. But it's not going to be the same size as the screen itself because I want it to look like I'm actually there in Cleveland. So I'm just going to shrink it down about to what I think would look better. And use your move tool, and I'm going to move myself to the right hand side since I'm looking to the left. So now I'm going to bump up the view to 200, and
Oh
just a
wow.
really easy process. I'm going to take and erase completely my outline so that I can get rid of the rest. This process is probably the most time consuming because there's a lot to it, and if you have your hair curly or whatever it may be, then it's going to take longer to fill out those final details. Okay, so I'm going to continue erasing around myself off camera, and I'll come back to you when I'm done. Okay, I'm back. Now that I finished that, I've already put in my other video, and so once again, I'm just going to take that back up to 200%, and I'm going to just start erasing around this photo. I'm just going to speed it up so that you can see the process. Really, it's like I said before, this is the most lengthy part of this process. Everything else is pretty simple and you can get it done within like 3 minutes. But this is what, if I would have kept the video going, it would have been over 10 minutes, and I don't think you want to be sitting here for 10 minutes watching this video. Okay, now I'm going to make my brush smaller so that I could get into the smaller spaces and do some detailing so that it doesn't look like I just copied and pasted and so on and so forth. Now I'm taking my tool and I'm making it a little bit bigger and getting it around the smaller spaces so that when I get and use my huge brush, then I don't have to backtrack. Okay, so as you can see, I am now, both of me are in Cleveland. So I'm just moving my second person to the place where I want it. And now I'm going to be working on the text. I'm using the path tool, and I'm creating a path because I want some curved text. So after you make your path the way you want to, You just click on the text tool and type what you want in the font and size that you desire it to be. And then you're going to click the second to the bottom button, and then you're going to delete your original text layer. Go to select, and I believe that's from selection, and then just take your fill tool and fill it to your desired color. Okay, now you need to go to the paths tool again and click move, and you want to move all of that away and out of the way so that you just have your text and no longer your path. I want mine more turned, so I'm just going to take the turn tool and move it to the desired level and move it to where you want it. What I like to do with all of my pictures is when I'm done, then I like to add a new transparent layer so that I can see what it's going to look like when it's done, and I hope you enjoyed it.